Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer Guacamole Day 1 and Guacamole Day 2. I started off with Bio Base from IMK, and here is Guacamole Day 1 and Guacamole Day 2. And we're just going to hop right on into this. I am going to go in with my first coat over my dry base coat and get this one started. Kind of tricky, but I do really like the formula. It's very jelly-like, squishy, and I like that. And here, this one is Guacamole Day 2. As you can see, it's definitely more pigmented, but it's also kind of a squishy polish. I guess this is like a for real acrylic. I'm not sure, but I do really like them. I wanted to use them soon. Hi Woody, how you doing? You know, before my next round of stuff comes in. So I am going to do a second coat here. I do believe I end up doing 3. And I am getting a little bit of those glitters, but I didn't turn the bottles upside down or anything crazy. I just, you know, broke them out and started playing with them. And y'all know I'm going to do a bunch of stamping, so, you know, I'm not too worried about whether I've got, you know, enough of the glitter on or not. So here we go with the second coat of Guacamole Day 2. And I just decided to go ahead and pair these together and wear them together. To me, they're kind of like a pair. And, yep, here we go with that third coat. I can still see a lot of nail line. And there's still going to be a little bit, but like I said, I'm doing some crazy stamping here in a little bit, so you're not really going to see that. It's going to be so busy. I'm going to go with our second coat of Guacamole Day 2. And I'm going to end up, that one little shard's probably going to get brushed off. Yep. And I didn't worry about it, like I said. I wasn't, you know, crazy about it, going crazy about it. So I'm going to do my top coat here. I'm using the Pro FX from, the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm losing my mind, y'all. But I really like both of these polishes, and I could see me really wearing them in the fall. Like I said, I really wanted to get them on my nails. So I just went ahead and did it. Y'all know I don't dance to the seasons, so, I mean, I do a little bit, but I don't stick to that. Having my free edge there. Getting Woody back out here to help. Thank you, Woody. So there we go. There's a swatch photo of them on their own. I'm going to be using ND108 and bases loaded lacquer on the black, as well as some more polishes. I got my Maniology stamper out, and that's what we're going to play with today. Got my Beauty Big Bang scraper, by the way. So what I decided to do was I'm going to go in with the same images. I'm going to use all different images off this plate. But I'm going to stamp like 3 times. I'm going to start with black and then use metallic red from, I think they're called Clean Colors. And they're not stamping polishes, but that's what I have them for. And then I'm also going to be using the metallic aqua. And I will say that this manicure totally did not turn out like I pictured in my head. It's a little busy. In fact, I wish I would have used this image on all of the nails instead of playing with other images. But that's okay. It's nail polish. Wear it for a few days, couple days, whatever, and then redo. So here we go. I'm just going over further and getting different images off of the plate. Now, I didn't hate this manicure, but this is out of my comfort zone. These are not swirly twirly designs. This is not my, you know, typical stamping way, but it's okay. Because, you know, I'll never know if I like something if I don't try it. So, definitely stepping out of my comfort zone is a good thing. And like I said, I didn't hate it, so we're okay with that. But it is rather busy. And with using 2 different base polishes and then different images on all the nails, it got a little I was a little carried away. But, you know, when you're playing polish, just play, have fun with it. And I was playing, and I was having fun. I'm back in my little mani cave, just having a good old time. And you can see I am splitting up some of these images. I've, you know, split that one between those two nails. And that's a good time saver. And, well, you know, just fun. It's fun to do. Using that little piece of tape to get off the excess off the stamper before I plop it down. And this one, that little pinky nail, not only is it curvy, but it's kind of got like a point to it. Maybe one day I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I have trouble getting some images to go on that nail anyway. Tap, tap, get that excess off. But I wanted to pick up like colors that were in the Guacamole polishes. And so that's why I picked the aqua and the metallic red. I just figured those would, you know, work well. And then I wanted to do them over black so that they would kind of stand out. So, and I didn't line them straight up. I did some off-centering so that the colors could kind of pop out a little bit. That's just my thinking on it. You know, right or wrong. Could be, you know, I don't know. So I'm cleaning my plate off with pure stamper and my little mat. And I like to just get everything all cleaned up before I put it away. And I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get up as much excess off of my skin that I can. Get that cleaned up the best I can. And, you know, we're going to call this one done as far as the stamping goes. Get my cleanup brush out with some acetone and just do just a tiny bit. There really wasn't much left to clean, so we did pretty good on that. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology and get that to dry down real well before I put on my next top coat, which is Poshe. We're going to put the Poshe over it and seal this one in and call it finished. Completely done. And I really did like it, but it was so out of my comfort zone that it was a little struggle for me to love it. But liking it's okay. We're moving in the right direction here. And my camera does not want to focus on that pinky nail for some reason. Not acting right. So I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. There's my swatch photo. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.